I want to, as we wrap the show, Sam, based on data from this year's Cost of a Data Breach report, I'm going to ask you to leave us with one piece of your best advice to CISOs and security pros and their teams on how to kind of level up their security operations. If you do only this, what is that advice?
This is going to sound really trite, but it genuinely is adopt AI. It's the biggest hope we have in turning the tides back in the favor of the defenders. The key thing that we saw, one of the key findings we saw this year, is that the level of skills shortages was increasing, but also more worryingly, have an increasing impact on the cost of a data breach year over year.
Yeah.
So the only way that we're ever going to be able to turn the tide against defenders is by increasing productivity and by being able to do things more effectively than we've been able to do before with the same amount of skills, if not less. So there are plenty of vendors, regardless of the platform or the vendor that you partner with, they will be doing something to help in this space.
Yeah.
And we saw that 10% more organizations this year have adopted AI and automation than in the previous year. So not only is it becoming more of a reality, but it's also making a real world impact. And it was the biggest cost saving on the average cost of a data breach that we discovered this year. So that's my parting piece of advice.